Troubleshooting Epson printer blank pages issue.
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to help you tackle a common problem that you might be encountering with your Epson printer. It's printing blank pages. Now, there could be various reasons for this, and we will systematically address each one. So, let's dive into it.
Are the cartridges installed properly?
The first thing to check is whether the ink cartridges are properly installed in your Epson printer. An improperly installed ink cartridge can result in the printer producing blank pages. To rectify this, remove the cartridges, check for any protective tapes or packaging that may have been missed, and then reinstall the cartridges properly.
Is the ink dried out or expired?
If the cartridges are installed properly, the next thing to consider is the ink itself. Ink can dry out over time, especially if the printer has not been used for a while. Similarly, ink can expire, leading to poor printing results. Check the expiration date on your ink cartridges, and if the ink is dried out or expired, replace the cartridges.
Is the printer nozzle clogged?
Another common reason for a printer printing blank pages is a clogged nozzle. The nozzle is where the ink comes out of the cartridge, and if it's clogged, the ink can't make it onto the page. Most printers, including Epson, have a built-in nozzle cleaning function. Run this function a couple of times and do a test print to see if the problem has been solved.
Are the print settings correct?
Incorrect print settings can also lead to blank pages. Be sure that the settings match the document you're trying to print. For example, if you're trying to print a color document and the printer is set to black and white, and your black ink is out, you could end up with blank pages. Double-check your settings before printing. Alright, folks. That's a wrap on the most common causes of an Epson printer printing blank pages and their solutions. Remember, always check your cartridges, ink, nozzles, and print settings if you encounter this problem. Hopefully, this guide helps you solve your printer issues and gets you back to printing smoothly. Happy printing!